Hello, my dear friend. Today we are going to make a test for our fly dye pellet machine. We are using the very special material, the charcoal powder mixed with a chemical binder together to make 3 millimeters and 4 millimeters pellet. This pellet could be used for chemical, used for fertilizer. I would like to introduce to you the raw materials. And from here you can see that these materials are wood charcoal powder. There is very fine size, wood charcoal powder. And over here is the chemical binder. The chemical binder. This is the pellet machine we're going to make a test with the 22 kilowatts electric motor, and we don't know the capacity yet for this material, but we will make a test. Usually, we will add about 3% binder with the charcoal powder. And because the charcoal powder has no combination, we also need to add some suitable water. Usually the water could be 20% to 30%. It depends on the pallet, the finished pallet, the efficiency working. So next we're going to start the machine work, and we will have a look.
打电话。